In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the password page on Shopify. The password page is what visitors see when your store is locked or coming soon. So customizing it is a great way to keep your brand looking professional even before launch. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, go to Online Store, then click on Themes. This is where all of your store's themes are managed. Find the theme that is currently live or that you're planning to publish and click on the option to edit the theme. Depending on your interface, this may appear as customize or something similar, but the idea is to open the theme editor. Once the theme editor is open, look at the top of the screen for a drop-down menu that lets you choose which page you're editing. Click that drop-down and select the page labeled Password. As soon as you do this, the preview will switch to show your password page and you'll be in the password page editor. Here, you can work section by section. Start by clicking on the password header in the preview. When you select it, settings for that section will appear on the left side. In this panel, you can choose a color scheme that matches your brand, upload or change your logo so visitors immediately recognize your store, and even add custom CSS if you or your developer want more advanced styling beyond the standard options. Next, click on the email sign-up banner. This is a great area to collect email addresses while your store is locked. Again, the editing options will appear on the left. You can select a background image for the banner and then adjust its overlay opacity to make the text easier to read. You can also change the height of the banner to make it more compact or more prominent. Under content settings, you can control the position and alignment of the text, adjust the container width, and select a color scheme that keeps everything legible and on brand. There's also a mobile layout section where you can adjust alignment specifically for smaller screens and choose whether the text should stack for better readability on phones. If needed, you can also add custom CSS here for even more control. If you want to change the actual wording on the page, you can click directly on the heading text in the preview on the right. This lets you edit what it says and adjust the font size so it stands out the way you want. You can do the same for the subheading below it, refining the message visitors see when they land on your password page. When you're happy with all your changes, don't forget the final step. Click Save. This will apply your customizations to the password page so visitors see the updated design. And that's how you customize the password page on Shopify, making your coming soon or locked store feel polished and on brand.